using the X and Y intercepts. Again, going back to our very first reference page, that is the middle column. So let's look at our middle column real quick. Using the X and Y intercepts, to find the X intercept, we're plugging in Y equals 0. Our final point will be a number, comma, that 0 that we plugged in. Let's do that real quick on this next problem. So to find the X intercept, again, we're plugging in 0 for Y. So Y equals 0. Looking at this linear equation, let's use that. Our X value will just stay X. So this is 2X plus 3 times our Y value is 0 equals 6. Now we're solving for X. So this is 2X plus 0 equals 6. You don't have to write that. You could actually just not write the 0 on this part. So this does go away, and I get 2x equals 6, and divide by 2, and x equals 3. So think carefully when you write this x-intercept. It should be a point. Your x value is 3. Your y value is 0. So our x-intercept is 3, 0. To find the y-intercept, we're going to do the exact opposite. So y equals 0 is how you find the x-intercept. X equals 0 is how you find the y-intercept. So again, notice that I'm doing the opposite here. So y-intercept, x equals 0. Using this same equation, we're plugging in 0 for x. So this is 2 times 0 plus 3y equals 6. Again, we know that anything times 0 is 0, so really this will just go away and equal 0. I'll have 3y equals 6. Solving for y now, we're going to divide by 3. That cancels, and y equals 2. Be very careful here. This is going to be a point. Your x value is 0. Your y value is 2. Okay? So again, we only need 2 points technically to graph a line, and you will have some problems on My Math Lab that will require you to use the X and Y intercept. Make sure you are actually using the X and Y intercept points. You may have the correct line, but not the correct points they ask for, so read the fine print carefully. Let's graph these 2 points and see. So 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, and 0, 2. Connect the dots, and there's our line. So if we compare this to our previous problem, if you watched that video, do you notice that even though I have 2 different ways to work the problem, I still get the same line out? So far we could use an X and Y chart, or we can use the X and Y intercepts. Okay? It's just 2 different ways to work it.